Hello students. Today I am going to discuss with you two letters. Letter number 1 is a letter of complaint to the SDO Electricity against the frequent breakdown of electricity in your locality. So we will write the address as to the SDO Electricity, PSPCL, Amritsar. Subject: complaint against frequent breakdown of electricity in Guru Nanak Nagar. Sir, I, on behalf of my locality, wish to draw your kind attention towards frequent breakdown of electricity in Guru Nanak Nagar. The low voltage and frequent tripping of electricity in this area has become almost a daily routine. During the 3-hour daily cut, no one expects the supply of electricity, but the unannounced frequent breakdown of electricity is simply a nightmare. At night, one is left half through the meals at the dining table. During the day, there is no rest. Also, there is no comfort and no protection from the sultry and hot weather. Besides, low voltage of electricity has damaged electric lamps, tubes, and other electric appliances. Fans don't give proper air owing to low voltage. Many a times, many complaints have been lodged with your office, but no permanent solution to this menace has been found. It's a pity that even when there is a supply of electricity in other localities, our locality remains dark. The wires through which electricity is supplied to our locality are old and worn out. The transformer where the electricity is supplied to us is also an old one. There is always some defect in wires or in the transformer. In fact, all the wires as well as the transformer needs to be replaced. Only then the proper supply of electricity can be restored to this locality. I sincerely hope that you will look into the matter at the earliest and redress our grievances in this great hour of need. Thanking you, yours faithfully, XYZ. So students, the other letter that I am going to discuss with you is going to be addressed to the Deputy Commissioner against the shabby conditions of cinema houses in the city. So we'll write the address as to the Deputy Commissioner, Patiala. Sir, I wish to draw your very kind attention towards the bad and the pathetic condition of the cinema houses in the city. Cinema is a major source of entertainment for the rich and the poor. It is imperative that cinema houses are run properly. It's a pity that cinema houses in the city reflect a sorry state of affairs. The cinema owners don't maintain the cinemas, they don't look into the comfort of the cinema goers. There's no proper shed in front of the booking window in most of the cinema houses. The cinema goers have to tolerate the bad weather. The queues are not properly maintained, and most of the times the policemen on duty remain silent spectators. There is no check on the sale of tickets. Most of the tickets are sold in black. The cinema goers have to go disappointed whenever they read the words "houseful" on the notice board. The air conditioners don't work properly. Even the electric fans don't give much air. As a result, there is great suffocation in the hall. There is no cleanliness at all in the cinema hall. Sometimes there are heard all sorts of noises in the cinema halls. Vendors are allowed to enter the cinema halls and sell eatables. Most of the eatables are stale. All this should be stopped at the earliest in order to provide convenience to the cinema goers who need entertainment at all costs. I therefore request you to take necessary measures and get proper comforts provided to the cinema going public as soon as possible. Thanking you, yours faithfully, XYZ. Thank you.